people, and welcome to another summery hot day. I'm gonna show you how to make a no sugar mulberry jam. I have my mulberries right here.
These are beautiful mulberries in low temperature. So we're just gonna add quite a bit of honey, not a lot, for now. And then we'll see if we need more. Sounds good? Gotta smoosh them really well until they become like a little mousse really well. And if you have a potato thing, works better. You know what I mean. Now that they're really smooshed well, we're gonna add some lime to prevent bacteria growth and help the canning process. All to the help of this researching wonderful lady. And after most of the water is gone, I'm gonna keep it in low, but I'm gonna cover it. Now as our final step, we'll just turn it off and put it in this jar right here. And it should have a different consistency and kind of like a honey around the top. There you have it.